Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to check Spotlight search history or Spotlight watch history. So if you want to see all of your Spotlight watch or search history on your Snapchat, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Snapchat here. And here you have to simply click on Bitmoji profile, and after that you have to simply go to setting and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of my data here. So if you click on my data, then you have to wait for some time so that a new kind of interface will be available here. So if you see that if you click on request data to download, then Snapchat will create a copy of your data which includes all things including Spotlight. So here option is available, Spotlight share story and Spotlight replies story history, which means you can simply find all the detail related to Spotlight. But if you scroll it down, then there is also available the search history, my lenses and cameos history also. So in this way you can simply request Snapchat to provide you all the data related to that Spotlight and all other things. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.